What's up, everybody? My name is Vincent. Welcome to Cryptolution, where we talk about everything under the moon, crypto universe. Today is Monday, October 23rd. In today's video, we have to talk about Solana's current price right now. Now, Solana is currently at $29. Now, over the past 7 days, we've seen this pump majorly from $23 to $29. This pump has been significant compared to its predecessors such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other prominent cryptocurrencies. So in this video, I'm going to share with you my perspective and what we could expect for the price prediction of Solana. Is it going to go up? Is it going to go down? Well, this is what we're going to cover on this channel. So before we begin, you have to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, don't forget to join our Patreon page, and most importantly, please be careful with any of the scammers down in the comments below. I will never reach out via WhatsApp, Telegram, direct messaging, or email, so please be careful and invest safely. So guys and girls, let's get right into it. So as you can see here, the current price of Solana is $29, and like not too long ago, around 7 days ago, we were seeing that this price was roughly around $23. But again, will we revisit those levels again? Well, that's the thing. We're going to find that out in just a little bit. But we have to look into the Crypto and Fear and Greed Index. This is telling us how the crypto market sentiment is feeling right now. And right now, it's feeling pretty neutral. Usually we like to see either big fear or big greed because we get a sense of what the community, what retail investors, what institutions are kind of looking at. But right now we're kind of in the neutral. When we started seeing that the bull market was happening for cryptocurrency, sometimes we would see us far into the greedy index, which is in this far green zone. And just over the past week, we've seen us around 63 in the greed zone, which is right here just yesterday. So let's go ahead and go into the recent news regarding Solana because again, Solana used to hit around $30 just as of yesterday. But even this morning, we saw it hit around $31, which is kind of crazy. Now, we're going to cover if this is artificial, if this is manipulated, or if this is actual organic growth within this cryptocurrency. Now, when we look at Solana itself compared to other market caps within cryptocurrencies, Solana becomes the biggest 24-hour gainer amongst the other top cryptocurrencies. We can see now in terms of Solana's TVL, also known as total volume locked, hit a new all-time high in the whole year of 2023 thus far. So right now we're seeing more TVL with Solana being locked, being staked, being earned, which is kind of crazy if you think about it. And the source for this, if you want to check it out, is on DeFi Llama. But I want to share with everybody that when we start to see Solana pump, what happens to NFT say, for instance? Well, this is kind of something that we see traditionally happen a lot. Whenever we see Solana, the cryptocurrency pump, we end up seeing that the NFTs within Solana end up getting liquidated, meaning people are selling their NFTs because they're trying to get Solana in terms of the cryptocurrency back in the portfolio because they're not sure if NFTs will be profitable. Usually I see Solana NFTs very bullish in a bear market within cryptocurrency. But now that cryptocurrency is bullish, now it's reversed the NFTs into a bearish sentiment. But there are certain Solana NFTs such as Solana Monkey Business and Kalanosaurus that are still in the green, but we don't know how long that will last for. Now, we gotta go into the Solana price, because yeah, you're wondering where is Solana's price point gonna be from here? Well, if we look at the price right now, yes, it's $29. And yes, a long time ago, back in 2021, the price of Solana used to be around $250. Could we revisit those levels? The thing is, though, we do know that FTX ended up owning a lot of Solana in their portfolio, and we do know what happened with FTX and Sam Bankman-Fried. It was complete fraud, complete scam. A lot of people's lives were ruined. So really, you have to look at this, the market cap. Now, the reason the market cap is very important is because of how many VCs, institutions, basically people who invested in Solana way back in the day. And they have vesting schedules, meaning that they get to sell their tokens on a specific scheduled date. So every 6 months or every 12 months, they can sell their tokens because they held on as VC investors. Right now, we can see that the market cap for this cryptocurrency is $12 billion. It's fully diluted market cap, which is very important. This is where the VCs and institutions invested in. It's right now around $16 billion. So when we're in that bull market for Solana, the market cap for this was roughly around $78 billion and higher. Right now, currently, in terms of its market cap, is roughly around 12 billion. So that's a huge drop. So I don't think we're actually going to see levels up to $200 or higher, because again, a lot of the money that was flowing into Solana was from FTX. So you have to look at how much FTX had invested in it. So back on September 14th of 2023, this is what this news article had to say around the street and FTX dumping its 1 billion of Solana. So roughly, the bankruptcy proceedings recently revealed that the FTX holds roughly around $1.16 billion in Solana tokens. Now, there's other cryptocurrencies that they have also on their roster, but that's a lot. If you look at how much FTX held, it's more than Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, and other real estate assets. So right now, Solana tokens that they have right now, it's the largest holding that they have of Solana. FTX really can technically liquidate their positions. And if you don't know, FTX announced not too long ago that they're going to be returning 90% of the funds back to the users, because again, I guess the debt that they had are going to give back to the users and help people who have lost a lot of money. But again, that's only up to $250,000. There are a ton of people, retail investors, institutions, and family offices that had more than $250,000 in their pocket invested in Solana, into FTT token. So eventually I think that's going to be liquidated pretty soon. So you have to be very careful. But in terms of the short term, that's what we're going to look at. So Solana's price point right now, based on TradingView right now, is well above the 50% Fibonacci retracement level. So if cryptocurrency continues to be in a very bullish sentiment, then we could see right now that maybe Solana could reach a price point of around $40. That's what we could see basically. But right now we're seeing a lot of green candlesticks on the daily time frame. And in terms of RSI, or relative strength index, we're seeing more bullish sentiment because I think cryptocurrency is in a bullish sentiment. But right now, the only support level that we see with this cryptocurrency with Solana, it's roughly around $25. If it breaks past $25, then it's probably going to hit the 50% Fibonacci retracement of around $22. And who knows if it bounces off those two support levels. But right now, the highest point that we can expect to see within the short term or immediate term is around $40 if it is in a bull market. But again, that's really dependent on if Bitcoin continues to go in a bullish trend above $31,000, which is crazy right now to think that Bitcoin is hitting $31,000. So again, this is really based on how Bitcoin is doing. Obviously, all the altcoins will follow. But as you can see, Solana right now has over the past 7 days pumped 24%. So as a conclusion and statement, is this pump organic or manipulated? Right now, we don't know as of this point. A lot of people have been sharing with me that this is organic, but then again, there's some people saying it's manipulated, because it is really crazy to see that this token has pumped a lot. 24% within the past 7 days. So right now, realistically, we can see that this price could hit around $40 if Bitcoin continues its bull trend. But again, we don't know as of yet today. So really, this is all just speculation. This video is just supposed to be educational and informative for you to understand how to take your positions within Solana. All your personal trades is ultimately up to you to decide. Hopefully this video has helped you made a better decision for yourself. So let me know in the comments down below how you feel around Solana. Are you bullish or bearish? I cannot wait to read that. So be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the button. Don't forget to join our Patreon page to receive all of our alpha calls on both buy and sell orders on NFTs and cryptocurrencies, especially around Solana. Till then, see you guys, girls next time.